How to fix Need for Speed Unbound controller not working. 1. Launch the game and Steam as an administrator. Like this. 2. Re-enable preferred controller configuration in Steam. Refer to the IMG below. Path. Settings General Controller Settings. 3. Enable Steam's forced on/off controller application options. Path. Run Steam Launcher in Big Picture Mode. Manage Game Controller Options. Switch from Steam input per game settings to forced on. 4. Add the EA Launcher and NFS Unbound, Need for Speed Unbound.exe and Need for Speed Unbound Trial.exe into Steam by launching the Add Non-Steam Game option. Hint, EA Desktop. .exe should be saved at C:\program files /electronic arts /EA desktop /EA desktop. 5. Ensure enable Steam input is 1. 6. Remove your controller and then reconnect it to your PC. 7. More tips. Reboot the PC. Unplug all unused mouse/keyboard or peripherals. Press the Alt plus Enter keys. Switch the screen refresh rate to 60. Hertz. Set yes to window mode in the config. .ini file at /documents /need for speed, TM, Unbound folder. Enable Steam overlay. Make Need for Speed Unbound.exe application use your high graphics performance. Like this. Use DS for Windows. Try using a wired controller.